Hey there, it's Mary Gall. I want to invite you to my upcoming workshop, Chat GPT 10 Practical Uses for Small Business Owners. It's happening on November 13th. It's a Wednesday morning from 9 to 10 on Zoom. That's Mountain Time, 9 to 10 Mountain Time on Zoom. We are going to review how Chat GPT can help you with three of my favorite things: saving time, increasing your productivity, and streamlining your operations. You'll leave the workshop with better understanding of just what Chat GPT is if you haven't dabbled in it at all. And you'll get a list of prompts to use for your business, and you'll have new connections from and hear how other entrepreneurs are using Chat GPT and other AI tools in their business. The best of all, it is only $27. So if you can't make it live, go ahead and register and I'll send you the recording afterwards. All the details are on the page below. Make sure you save your seat today. Again, I hope to see you at the Chat GPT 10 Practical Uses for Your Small Business Workshop on Wednesday, November 13th. Thanks. Bye.